soul. Ain't with the newsman, I need to read to rock my roll. Man, nights are hard, but I know I'm not alone. Yeah, I know it's true. Read it in a Rolling Stone. Hi, this is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this video lesson, I read it in the Rolling Stone by Dion. Take a second now to download the tab and the chord chart, and that'll make everything a little easier. Okay, this is a great minimalist blues song, so I'm not going to give you every riff, but just the basics of how to play it, and then you make it your own. We're going to start off with two riffs. The first one slides up from the 5th to the 7th fret on the 3rd string. So use your middle finger. I'll show you why in a second. Put your middle finger on the 3rd string, 5th fret. Play it, slide it up. The next note you're going to play is your first finger on the 2nd string, which is the 6th fret. And then all 3 fingers down on the 2nd string, ring finger playing the 8th fret, hit it and bend. Now what this is, it's a bend and release. It's not a bend and stop, but it's a 1 and 2, low note, high note, low note. Then we're going to go right back down the other 2 notes we played. Nice little basic blues riff. Play it slower. I'm moving my fingers back so it's a little easier for you to see what I'm doing, but you want to keep yours nice and close to the string. Like that. The next half of the riff, you have to slide your hand down pretty fast, but it's just 2nd position. Use your middle finger to play 3rd fret on the 5th string, open D, 3rd fret on the 4th string. And then you're going to play a D5, a power chord, open D, 2nd fret on the 3rd string. Then you're going to slide just your first finger on the 3rd string. Let it ring. The other 2 chords are just an open G and an A. There's a walk up between the A and the G, which is kind of a strange thing. So you play the A chord, then you play the open A, B flat, B. And he kind of hits the rest of the strings after that B. Read it in a Rolling Stone. As near as I can tell, it's a D5 all the way through. The riffs kind of color it toward a D minor, but nowhere in the whole thing do you actually hear. Good luck singing this song. Dion has one of the more distinctive voices in rock and roll, and it has not withered with age. Balls out, bluesy tone, definitely a lot of focus. Well, I've been shake, so you got lots of tone and lots of soul behind it. Listen to his delivery. It's really well done. Surprisingly enough, he knows how to do it after all these years. Don't forget to check the links below for other songs that you might be interested in learning. Oh, and below that there's a comment section. If you didn't understand something, it's probably my fault. Please ask questions. This is Ben Brown, and this has been How to Play I Read It in the Rolling Stone by Dion. Thank you for watching. Yeah.